the airport. This is the Flair's check-in counter just beside me.
Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Andres channel.
Who are you?
Hello. I'm going. He's not going. I'm going.
Haven't updated my video for such a long time due to the world pandemic that I don't want to go anywhere, and I have worked a lot as my full-time job in the airport. However, it was my birthday, so I give myself a break traveling to Vancouver with Flair Airlines, which is the airline that I'm working with. Flair is the Canadian ultra low-cost carrier. Their ticket price, I have to say, it is very competitive, while the check-in and boarding process is very smooth. As long as you're checked in online with whatever carry-on or check-in bags. Here's the point: Flair ticket only includes your seat belt, and a small personal bag. We took off already. For me, air travel is just point to point. I didn't expect it. Luxury experience in the air for only 2 or 3 hours. Once I was on board, the flight attendant will give us a safety demonstration. So far, there's nothing different than any other airlines. Alright, goodbye Winnipeg. See you later. I was sitting in an emergency row exit. I can show you I got extra leg room, which is great. Honestly, their aircraft looks pretty new. Due to the pandemic crisis, they didn't provide any food and beverages, but that's fine. I bought it in the airport just in case. Now let's check about their lavatory. It was very clean. The space for me is more than enough. After almost 3 hours, I was in beautiful BC. Check the outside. Looks so beautiful. It was a perfect landing. Thank you for the watching. See you next time.